Hello, my name is India and I am 1/3 or 1/4 of the Acquahs, and today I'm uploading a video about how I go from curly hair to straight hair. So stay tuned, watch the video, and in the next clip we're going to get into how I go from curly to straight. Enjoy. Okay, so here is the start of my hair. So I'm going to actually start and section my hair off in 4 sections, and I may break it down depending on how easy or hard it is to detangle my hair. So forgive the look. I just put some oil on my face. Yes, I have uneven skin because of the pregnancy, but whatever, I gotta get this hair done because it is starting to look really bad. I don't want to get tangled up even more. First, and it just makes it more manageable or easy to work with when it's wet. I can't detangle my hair on dry hair. Just can't do it. I'm gonna be using this. It's a strengthening deep conditioner. So I do need to deep condition my hair. So I came out of a previous silk press, so I want to deep condition it. And then I also like to put olive oil on my hair as well. Part is part. Oh, I don't know. Okay. Oh, okay, maybe. No, I think I'm gonna let me put this in half. Let me split this in half. I think it'll be easier. And I'll just put this over here for now. And I'll just work with this part. And with detangle hair, it makes it really easy to get through when you're washing, blow drying, and flat ironing. It just makes it so much easier. And I'm gonna put these in twists. I may wash them in the twist just to make it easier. Okay, so my hair is done, all detangled with deep conditioner, olive oil on it. So I'm gonna put like a plastic bag over it, deep condition for a while, and then I will wash my hair off camera, and then I'll come back to blow it out and to do a silk press. So hello, I am back. It has been many hours later, but I freshly washed my hair is freshly washed, and I'm out of the shower. And now I'm about to blow out my hair. I really love this. It works really quickly, and especially if your hair is nice and detangled, it works well. So for heat protectant, I'm gonna put shea butter on for heat protectant. Let me look up her name. 22nd Century Natural Woman. Her and both her daughters, I think she has 2 daughters. Two daughters, and all of their hair is down their back. Beautiful, healthy hair, and she only uses shea butter for the heat protectant. Another reason why I'm using shea butter, because being in Korea, sometimes I can't consistently get the same product. So you may hear my daughter and my husband in the background. So I just put a little bit on, especially concentrating on the end. forgot I had that fan on. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but so I'm just gonna twist this little area right here so it can kind of stay elongated, I guess. About 8 twists and I'll be back. So I'm not gonna apply any more heat protectant or shea butter because I feel like shea butter is so strong. I don't need to. So, and it'll be all right without getting heat damage. I do use the chase method. I'd rather use a brush, but I can't find the kind of brush that I want. So right now I use this comb. The roots a couple of times and break it down. And the smoke is just the shea butter burning out. That's why I feel like I don't need to add any more shea butter. It's already enough on there. So there's the first. So let's continue. I'm all done. This is, my battery is running low, so I didn't get the last part. But here's my hair done. Let me see if I can turn around. So that's the back. I don't know how that looks. I don't know if I still need like a small trim, but okay guys, this is how I go from curly to straight. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.